Hi guys, so I have another fall recipe for you all, and this one is for pumpkin spice. This was requested by Sabrine, my friend. She told me that in Trinidad it's really hard to find pumpkin spice, so I wanted to share with you all the way that I make my homemade pumpkin spice, and it's very easy to put together. So for this, you're going to need some cinnamon, and we're adding all of the ingredients to one bowl. Next goes in some allspice, some freshly grated nutmeg, some powdered ginger, and some cloves. Now if you wanted to double or triple this recipe, you can, and all you have to do is mix those ingredients to combine, and then your pumpkin spice is ready. Guys, instead of using plain cinnamon in your recipes, try using this pumpkin spice. It really gives it a really great flavor. You get a depth of flavor when you use pumpkin spice. So if you guys enjoyed this recipe, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. Thank you to Sabrine for requesting this recipe. Please leave me your requests down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!